A happy Electoral Commissioner is confident that this will ensure successful elections next year.
The election administration, most cost of the election administration goes towards the allowances of the temporary election workers who are engaged to work for the election. We will engage about 30,000 public servants across the country. That's returning officers, assistant returning officers, polling officials, counting officials, and all host of temporary election workers that we engage to assist the Electoral Commission to conduct the election.
As announced by Treasury Secretary, 121 million kina of the 400 million kina funding is allocated for security purposes, while the rest is for the administration of the elections.
The expenditure would be mostly the election administration. I'm saying this because parts of Papua New Guinea, especially in the coastal and islands region, you don't have a lot of security threats. It's just mostly the urban areas plus the islands provinces. And so the police should be focusing on urban areas and islands provinces to manage security. So our priority and our focus should be on election administration.
An additional 30 million kina has also been promised this month to the Electoral Commission. This will be used to purchase what the Electoral Commissioner says are big-ticket items such as ballot boxes and printing of ballot papers.
The preparation for next day is mostly working on the polling schedules. The government has approved some new wards. So those are the ones that we'll bring them into our polling schedules and start planning where we will place the polling stations to conduct the election.
As of July this year, the Electoral Commission received an actual total of 46.8 million kina to cover election operations, recurrent costs, and by-elections in Samarai Murua, South Bougainville, and Kandap. As a priority for next year, the general elections will be one of the first sectors to receive funding once revenue starts rolling in.
I think that will be priority for us in terms of looking at the revenue inflows January, February of next year. The focus of that giving out to agencies will be on health education and the election itself.
Sarah Aupong, National EMTV News.